In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to black and white photos in Canva, whether you're going for a classic timeless look or you just want your design to feel a bit more polished. Turning a photo black and white is a really simple but powerful edit you can do right inside Canva. First, open your design in Canva like you normally would. On your page or canvas, locate the photo you want to edit. Then click directly on that image. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around it and small handles or corners that let you resize. This is important because the editing options in Canva only appear when the image is actually selected. Once the image is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. There, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. This opens up Canva's editing panel, usually on the left or right side of your screen, depending on your layout. This is where you can adjust things like brightness, contrast, and of course, apply filters. Inside that edit panel, find and click on Filters. Filters are Canva's preset looks that you can apply with a single click, and they're a great way to quickly change the mood or style of your photo. When you click Filters, you'll see a handful of options show up, but not all of them will be visible right away. To see the complete list, click on See All. This expands the full collection of filters available for your image. Scrolling through this list makes it easier to compare different styles and find the black and white look that fits your design best. Some filters are more dramatic, while others are softer and more subtle, so it's worth taking a moment to look through them. Now, from the expanded list, select the black and white filter you like. Canva typically includes several monochrome style filters, so try hovering over each one to preview how your image will change. Then click to apply the one you prefer. After you select it, you'll see your photo instantly transform into black and white on your design. If you want to fine-tune the look, you can stay in the edit panel and adjust settings like intensity, brightness, or contrast to get that perfect balance of light and shadow. When you're happy with the result, you're done. Your photo is now black and white and ready to use in your Canva project.